Hello, everybody. This is a Lamley preview, part 2 of our San Diego Comic-Con Hot Wheels exclusive showcase. I already did the Mario Kart Pink Gold Peach. We also did the Ghost Rider comic book cover with the character popping out of the cover. These are the two that I'm most excited about. We've got the Mandalorian exclusive and we have the Knight Rider exclusive as well. We're going to save the Knight Rider. This is the most Lamley thing, I think. But let's start with this. This is how it came from Mattel. These are available today at San Diego Comic-Con, which runs through the weekend. And then tomorrow, Friday, at Mattel Creations. I couldn't find any numbers on the Mario Kart and Ghost Rider, so I have no idea how many they've done, but I'm imagining because they are collectible, there's not a ton, and they will sell out at the show and on Mattel Creations. So be ready if you want these. And my job is to show them, so we're going to do that. First thing we're going to do, let's just rip off the tissue paper. I will try and keep these packages intact, but the tissue paper, that can't survive. All right. Okay, that Ibv sticker means it's a sample from Mattel. I don't know if that means that there might be like a number on this elsewhere. I don't know, but that Ibv does indicate that this is like a sample of some sort. But let's just have a look at it. This is the back. This is the Razor Crest. It is the Mandalorian ship. And it's the Beskar edition. So, Alex, I'll let you freeze the screen and read that if you'd like to. Beskar, best of my knowledge, when it comes to these guys, I love these movies. I watch them, but I'm not deep into the lore of them. But Beskar is the special metal, right? That the Mandalorian and his people, that's the warriors, get that metal, right? It's forged into their armor, right? And they tend to earn it and lose it depending on how they're doing as soldiers or warriors or whatever. All right, that is the box. I apologize. But the Beskar metal, I watched the show, and it's super cool. I think I've watched the Obi-Wan and I watched the Boba Fett. The Boba Fett was kind of a bummer, I thought, because that was such a character that those of us who grew up with Star Wars loved Boba Fett, and I just didn't think the show was that good. But Mandalorian almost seems like the proper Boba Fett sequel. All right, so let's just open up this box and let's take a look at this. I have no idea if this is going to be like easy to open. There's some instructions there. And this one comes in tissue paper as well. So let's pull that out. Tissue paper is nice and ripped, so I don't have to worry about the collectability of that. I really hope I'm not. People are going to get angry at me for doing this. But let's take this. Oh, this is so cool. I remember this canister thing, but I can't remember what the part of it was. I remember this in the movie. It's not the thing that Baby Yoda was riding in, but I think this is where they keep the Beskar or something. All right, pull to remove. Oh, this is so great. This is so great. Okay, the cool thing about this, oh my gosh. All right, I'm going to put this off to the side. This is stuck in here. I'm going to keep it because this is like it's supposed to be like a piece of Beskar metal, but the Razor Crest is made of the Beskar metal. So I'm just going to show this off. I will put it on the turntable. But here it is. I don't have like a Hot Wheels car to compare it to, but you can use my hands to kind of get the size of this thing. And look at the detail here. Oh my gosh, this thing is so cool. This is so cool. It is clearly done in heavy, heavy metal. I mean, Beskar, I guess you could say. It is super heavy. This will go on the turntable. It's better to show it off that way. But I just want you to get a sense of how cool this thing is. Razor Crest, unfortunately, met its fate, right? At the, was it last season or the season before? But such a cool ship, and this thing is just beautifully done. The pattern in the metal to make it look like Beskar is the real treat here. This is definitely a unique kind of art piece. Oh my gosh, that is impressively cool. I mean, it's different than, and I'll put this together later, but I will keep it in here displayed as is. The Beskar, like, if you look at it, it's all stuck in stickers and stuff. I don't want to take that out. But it is just a piece of Beskar metal. I like the ship the best, though. That thing is just so cool. All right, let's leave that right there, and let's talk Knight Rider. Let's take this tissue paper off. I saw the preview on Instagram that Mattel Creations did with Brendan Vituski. I think Brendan Vituski is the one who designed this one. We've seen, there's the IBV again. We've seen the casting in the Mattel world and Hot Wheels for a long, long time. We've even seen this as a San Diego Comic-Con exclusive. I think they did KITT in a cool kind of, Michael Knight style, like Carla, I think was like jumping or something. And they mixed in some random chases. Maybe they'll do that with this one too. Some car chases where you didn't know until you opened it whether you got KITT or the evil car, Karr. I don't know if they're doing that here, but I love this already because it's smaller. The packaging is cool. Knight Rider, you got the 40 years because we're celebrating the 40-year anniversary. And it looks like I can just take this cover off. Thank you, guys. I don't have to, like, cut these stickers. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. This is so cool. You see this look, this nose of the packaging, and you already get a sense of, like, KITT driving through the desert. I watched Knight Rider as a kid. Of course I did. I know the music. Michael Knight was super cool. He knew how to wear a button-up shirt. This thing, the packaging is just fantastic. There's Mumbo Jumbo. I'm assuming, yep, if I pull this, oh my gosh. So, first off, you notice it's in its acrylic case. More glare again. Acrylic case like we've seen a lot of Hot Wheels cars, which is kind of cool. But it comes in this special, I don't know if this comes off. Yep. Oh, you can pull it off. Oh, look. And then if you pull it off, you've got a cable here that I think you've got your instructions. So let's see if it works now. Maybe you have to set it up, and if it does, I'll just cut away and then do that. There's the charger, so you can do you can charge up the car, so you can show. Obviously, the big highlight here is that the front light works. All right. So first thing I got to do, let's pop this off. Okay, it's not even screwed into this. We'll move that out of the way. And here, oh my gosh, this is just the coolest. So let's put it on the turntable now just to see it. This is the standard KITT casting, right? Well, no, I'm looking at it already. I'll put it, it's got, well, I'm going to have to look at the KITT casting. You can see, actually, it's been modified because it's got to get a battery pack down below. So you can see it's got the two-tone interior, but obviously it doesn't go as deep because it's got some stuff. See how that, it's got some stuff below it to make this thing actually work. Nice and clean black KITT. It's got the black wheels to match KITT, like those kind of hubbed aerodynamic wheels. All the details are there, but the key here is this front. Let's see if it works. Well, I'll show you the bottom. There's where it charges. I wonder if that's a magnet. Anyway, that's where it charges. Here's the switch. It doesn't look like, I think I might have to charge it. So, let's break away, get this thing charged, and revisit this fantastic front light. All right, I brought it inside and quickly realized that it's pretty simple. I was overthinking it. There's the instruction sheet, but all it basically says is charge it. And what I didn't realize is that you switch the thing on, and then there's a button that you push. That's the only thing I didn't do. And when you're doing it all in real time, sometimes you make those mistakes. But it's nighttime now, so we can go dim if we want to on the turntable. But here is the model, way up close. You can see how fantastic it is. It looks just like the standard KITT casting, with the exception of this little bit modified, obviously modified interior. But you just want to see the lights, right? So you've got the place to charge. You've got the light switch that you can turn on and off. And then you have this button that you push, and when you do, you get this fantastic KITT light. It is so cool, and when you put it on the turntable and you turn off all the lights, it's even cooler. I love that they did this. They totally go out for Comic-Con, Hot Wheels does. Mattel does in general. And this may be the best thing they've done yet because it stays so within the realm of Hot Wheels, especially with the premium cars. This thing is so clean, so cool. Die-cast chassis, die-cast body, detailed interior, and now this light. This is one of the coolest things Hot Wheels has done. You guys will have to tell me if you agree or not agree, but I just think this thing is so awesome. And I'm not a guy who usually collects the entertainment-related models, but this thing, so cool. If I have a choice, I think they're all going on at the same time. If you can buy them all, buy them all. If I had a choice, I'm going for this guy. I mean, as a Hot Wheels collector, this is the most Hot Wheels thing. But that Beskar edition Razor Crest is fantastic as well. The motorcycle is very much a Hot Wheels model. But this Knight Rider, this wins for me. By the way, you see, light turns off automatically, which is nice. And you can switch the light off, and then you can charge it if you need to. That is your San Diego Comic-Con preview. You guys tell me what you think. Knight Rider for me, Mandalorian after that. I want to know what you guys want, and good luck at Mattel Creations tomorrow. Bye.